Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. And you can check the amount of steps taken on this watch in a couple of ways. First way to do it is to do it on the watch face. Some of the watch faces display that information, as you can see this one does. Another way to do it is to press the upper button to open the menu, then tap on the activity icon right here at the top, and here we have the stats. And one of the stats is the steps. As you can see, you can scroll down to see the more detailed information, like the basically graph from the whole day. And once you're done, you can tap on the, or rather press the upper button to go back to watch face. If you want to see the more detailed information, you can always do it by checking it in the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can move the watch to the side, bring the phone here, and once we bring the phone, we can zoom out the camera. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can tap on the Mi Fitness, and in the Mi Fitness application, you should see the activity right here at the top. You can tap on it and scroll down, and here we have steps. And you can tap on steps to see more detailed information. We have daily, weekly, and monthly progress. And once you're done checking the information, you can close the application. And that's how you check the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.